In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, all the praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of Alameen. The contents of today's lectures are introduction, pre-reading, explanation during reading, and words for dictation. The objectives for today's lectures are to enable the students to read with the help of model reading, to enable the students to build their vocabulary with new words, and reading for enjoyment. Dear students, grab your Oxford Reading Circle book and we will do today Unit 2, Ruby's Garden, page 15 and 16. First of all, I will give you introduction of the lesson. The lesson is about Ruby's first day at the new school. It tells us the experience of the first day of Ruby in class with her teacher and her classmates. It shows the joy and happiness of Ruby's mother on getting her back from school. It also tells us the confusion of Ruby's mother that Ruby spent the whole day in garden, but actually she spent all day in class. It's an interesting story. In pre-reading, I'll explain the title of the story to you. Ruby is the name of a girl. Garden. Garden is a place where different types of flowers grow. Same is the case with class. Class is a place where we learn different subjects. So, Ruby's garden means that it seems to Ruby that her class is her garden. Now, students, I hope you all have Oxford Reading book with you. Please open Ruby's Garden, page number 15 and 16. Mrs. Thomas was already in class B. She was putting sheets of paper and crayons on the desk. Good morning, Mrs. Thomas, said Mrs. Tibbins. Good morning, said Mrs. Thomas, smiling. I am Ruby's mother, said Mrs. Tibbins. I am a little worried. What is it? Asked Mrs. Thomas, looking a little worried herself. Is there something wrong? Yes, there is, said Mrs. Tibbins. Ruby told me that she was in the garden all day yesterday. Mrs. Thomas laughed. Mrs. Tibbins was cross. Cross means when you are angry. She did not think that there was anything to laugh about. Did you tell your mom what we did yesterday, Ruby? Asked Mrs. Thomas. Ruby nodded. Nodded means she moved her head up and down. And yes. And did you tell your mom about the other girls in the class? Asked Mrs. Thomas. Ruby shook her head and Mrs. Thomas smiled at Ruby's mom. I told the children yesterday that we are going to call our classroom the garden, said Mrs. Thomas. The garden? said Mrs. Tibbins in surprise. Whatever for? Just then the other girls of 2B came into the classroom. They were all still wearing their labels. Mrs. Tibbins, I want you to meet Ruby's friends, said Mrs. Thomas, pointing to the girls. Violet, Rose, Poppy, Iris, Jasmine, Daisy, say hello to Ruby's mom. Mrs. Tibbins and Mrs. Thomas laughed and laughed. The girls laughed too. Dear students, this interesting story is written by Nicholas Hosberg. As we have read, the whole story of Ruby's Garden is about Ruby's first day experience at school with her new teacher and new friends. It also tells us joy of Ruby's mother on getting her back from school. In the end, Ruby's mother overjoyed to meet her friends and came to know the interesting way of teaching of her teacher, Mrs. Thomas. She calls the classroom the garden and named the students on flowers like violet, rose, poppy, iris, jasmine, daisy. Everyone laughed in the end. So it creates a friendly atmosphere. I hope you have enjoyed the story very much. Now, words for dictation. Mother, mother. Loudly, loudly. Lauging, laughing. Smiling, smiling. Nodded, nodded. Pointed, pointed. Warning, warning. Label, cross, cross. Shook. Dear students, home task. Read the lesson for at least 5 times. Learn and write the given words for dictation in your notebooks. If you have any questions or any queries regarding this lecture, I'm here to answer them.